Hi there, I'm Denise Dunleavy. I'm an animal communicator and teacher, and I'm going to be answering some frequently asked questions. And one thing that comes up often is, do some animals communicate better than others? And the answer to that is yes. However, I usually get this question from dog people who assume that cats don't have very much to say, and it does not depend on the type of animal. I have talked to alpacas, turtles, rats, birds, horses, dogs, and cats, and they all have something to say. Their communication can be different, just like with people. Some of them are definitely more shy, some are very outgoing and very talkative, and some have better communication skills than others. One thing where I have noticed a difference is that with, say, puppies and kittens versus older dogs or cats, they're it's not that they don't communicate as well, it's that they often don't have as much to say just because they haven't had as much experience. So, older animals will often reminisce, they'll talk about things that they used to do when they were young, they'll have memories from their lives. They will be very ingrained in their person's life, so they may have advice for their person or feedback for what's going on with them. They are more in tune with their bodies, so they'll have more to say about how they feel as opposed to younger animals. And when I say this, I mean very young animals like under a year old. They're still figuring out how to be a cat or a dog. They're using their senses a lot to figure things out. They're learning. So they may not have as much to talk about, say, in a session with me because they just don't they just don't know as much. So I would love to talk to your animals for you. My contact information is below.